Jonah will play as a opposite hitter for Petrogas.
Francisco serving.
This is a broken play. It's going to be a freebie. Rainbow. Cheng to Pablo.
Oh,
And Kat Arado got her hand on it, pero hindi na nasundan. And Davison is blocked, but that's outside. So
Yeah.
that's a point from Savvy. Del Palomata is the second best blocker in the league so far. On top is Majoy Baron, both from PLDT. Unti-unti na ng PLDT kanilang mga puntos. Still a 5-point lead.
Oh.
Okay, make it 6 again. Remy Palma of Petrogas. So kilalang kilala niya ang kanyang mga teammates. And she's right, communication on and off the court is key. Majoy Baron, another point for the birthday girl.
middle attackers, mas nahihirapan makablock yung either squad.
Sabete from the left-hand side this time. She's gonna get another chance and she finds the hole down the line.
12.
OG, gusto lang niya i-sustain kasi yung ganong klaseng high energy ng Petrogas.
Yes, and ang ganda din ng mga first balls nila.
Pati second.
Hindi nila na-sustain yung maganda nilang galaw nung first set.
Oh!
Oh, still alive.
Great save there by Baby Love. Ayun, ang bilis ng pangyayari and that is what's sabi. Good receive and Pablo.
Oh,
Slow but very smart.
yeah.
Pablo with 9 points already today. Alcantara putting it up for Ceballos. And Petura was there. Cacoron sending it over. Unexpected by PLDT.
Yeah, definitely. Because akala mo isa set ni...
As they lead by 8. And Sickle back-to-back, this time down the line. Humahabol for Petrogas.
Serving for the set.
Tough serve. Chance here for Petrogas to close out. And good enough. MJ Phillips with the help of the net.
Yeah.
And the score is 25-14. A win for Petrogas this time. This has been interesting turnout so far in this matchup between the Angels and the high-speed hitters. Blowouts first by PLDT, this time by Petrogas. And we'll talk more about the score after the break.